Humans are known to sleep an estimated 7 to 9 hours a day, while there's another mammal out there that can sleep an estimated 15 hours per day and roughly 70% of their lifespan. And while some people may call this animal boring and lazy, I call them very loving animals and some of my best friends, and they're known as cats. And this is why you should own a cat. I have been raised with cats my whole life, ever since I was little. The 3 cats that I have right now are pictured, and then I've also had 2 other cats, however they have passed. The one pictured to the far left, Spotty, the black and white one, he is roughly 15 years old. The one on the bottom, Panther, the all black one, he is 10 years old, and then the one top right, Austin, the orange one, he is 7, 8 years old. Cats are amazing pets and amazing animals, very loving. And while you're in college, starting to get your apartments, or your first place where you can actually own a pet, the best pet, always the first pet you should ever own, should be a cat, because they're so easy to take care of, and they're just great to just see what taking care of something is like with very minimal effort, pretty much. They don't need much space, so an apartment is plenty enough space for them, and they're very easy to care for. They're very easy to care for, they bring unconditional love, they lower stress and anxiety, and if you go inside of your house, that's why cats are so good. You definitely own one, and yeah, let's get started. So, like I just said, cats are very easy to care for, and according to the International Cat Care, cats do not need walks, they don't need baths, they clean themselves, they don't need much living space, like I just said. An apartment space is plenty enough space for them, and they don't need much attention. They are very independent. They can live with just food, water, litter box, and you can leave them for a night or a couple nights, then you go away and feed the cats, and they're fine. They just need food, water, litter box, fun with it, and they're fine. Plus, they don't need to play with them. They can be with other animals like dogs. Of course, you should still look down and give them pets and cuddles and everything, but they do not need as much as other animals do. And then cats also help improve your health, and according to healthguide.org, cats help improve health by lowering stress and anxiety. There are support cats out there, especially in colleges and the people who have them. And cats also help put you at a lower risk for heart disease and stroke, and they also give you a best friend in terms of love. They have a long lifespan. One of my cats lived until they were 21 years old, and they can also live more, but it just depends. And lastly, cats do keep your house pest-free. They get rid of those rodents, and they also keep some insects out as well, according to animalpath.org. And while they aren't doing that, they're very calm. They sleep all day, and they're very quiet. They do meow, but it's not that loud. Now that we have learned the main reasons I should own one of these adorable little felines, let's go over everything. Cats are so easy to care for. They keep rodents out of the house, some bugs out of the house, and they're great emotional support pets. They relieve stress and anxiety, and they help with your heart health, and they give you a friend who is always there for you for a long time. And pictured to the bottom left, they are also lifelong friends with each other. And pictured to the top right, see with one of them. I take pictures of them all the time. But yes, why take naps by yourself when you can take them with these little babies they can hold and sleep with all day? fortunate that you can, because that's what they do all day. And they are lifelong buddies, and the best things in the world. They're small, soft, quiet, and just the best. And I highly recommend. Thank you.